In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set a timer on your iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Camera app. Then make sure you are on a photo mode because we can set timer just to take a photo. And once you switch to photo mode, tap right here at that arrow and it will show you that options here. Then you need to tap at the very right at that button. And that's where we can set a timer. By default, timer turned off. However, we can set it to 10 seconds or 3 seconds. I'm gonna choose 3 seconds. And then we can tap at that arrow again to close that tab. It is showing right here the timer set to 3 seconds. So if we want to take a picture, we can tap at that button and after 3 seconds countdown, it will take a picture. To change timer, we can tap right here and switch it to, let's say, 10 seconds, or from here we can just turn it off. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.